Okay, here is a original ITO boat. My guess is it's probably made by TMY. It's 18 inches long, speedboat. I got this as a restoration again, and I had to replace. It was in good shape except for some of the fittings were corroded from looked like salt air. All the air scoops, the step pads were replaced. Some of the ball stanchions were replaced. Let's see what else. Well, the windshield's original. I polished it up and replaced the plastic. I was able to get it in this one. Sometimes you can't. The hood ornament, the bow ornament is very rare. The eagle. The cleats and the clips and stuff. I had to replace those with all new old stock parts. It did run, but the battery or the lights didn't light. So the push-pull switch is for the lights, and you can see now they're on. And then the steering wheel switch, of course, operates the motors. I like this color combination. I know I'm jerking around here with the phone, but it's kind of hard to do this. But it's like a mint with a blue bottom, red waterline. I moved the exhaust. For whatever reason, they always put them up on the side. I put it in the back where it belongs. And anyway, I redid everything. There's the motors. I polished them up. They were pretty corroded too from the salt air, but they cleaned up fairly well. All the contacts have been cleaned, polished, put back in. Props were junk. I had to replace them with mine. I added the dash plate. Didn't have one originally, so I put one in anyway. Steering wheel switch, of course, works. Forward and reverse. It's loud, so I'll just turn it on real quick. Forward and reverse. That gets her running. It's hull number 4. You can see it. Or boat number 4. And I repainted everything. There's the prop supports. New rudder. I replaced the rudder. Made a mahogany stand for it. Anyway, these are nice boats. This is a particularly nice one. I like it a lot, and I probably should keep it, but it's not mine. But anyway, I have a similar one I restored too. I'm going to take a video of that here later. But anyway, thanks for all the kind comments about your boats. I'm posting all this stuff online, YouTube or whatever, so it'll go on the web, because there isn't any information on these boats. And this way, people with these boats, they can see what they are and use them as reference. This boat's restored 100% the way it was originally. I didn't modify this boat at all. And like I said, it's a beautiful boat. They have really nice lines on these boats. Thanks again for all your kind comments on my boats. The restoration video will be on there too, showing me restoring this boat soon. And I'll be adding a couple others. Thanks, have a nice day.